This brooding dark beauty is a Blind Guitars B24, and I'm playing it in the workshop where it was created here in beautiful Biarritz in France. Let's listen to the voice and then I'll tell you all about it. Blind guitars are the creation of French luthier Virgile Pilon, and you may remember that I showcased one of his B51a models a while back. That was a fascinating guitar with an arch top and a flat back, really beautiful instrument. So when Virgile invited me to visit his workshop here in France, well, I just had to accept. This B24 is a great example of Blind Guitar's Nouvelle Vintage aesthetic, which brings together elements of traditional guitar design coupled with new lutherie flourishes, new techniques, different wood choices, all sorts of great stuff going on here. So the vintage heads amongst you will have already noticed that the Blind Guitars B24 takes a lot of inspiration from the Ditson number 11 model, except with a wider lower bout which accentuates the elegant bell-like silhouette. The B24 is built around a 24.75-inch scale length, and it also features a 13-fret neck join. This is something that I'm seeing becoming increasingly popular with a lot of players who are describing it as a sweet spot between the 12 and 14-fret neck join alternatives. So let's take a look at the wood. So back and sides we have, quite honestly, an immaculate set of African blackwood. The inner sides, this is a double-sided instrument, are made from Ovancol. And the soundboard is torrefied Adirondack spruce. So this is spruce that has been heated in order to give it something more of a vintage voice in the final guitar. The neck is flamed maple and it has also been torrefied, which gives it this beautiful caramelized brown sugar kind of look. And the fretboard is a slice of jet black ebony, if that's not a tautology. This guitar has a lot of aesthetic flourishes that I haven't seen before. The marbled silver leaf, for instance, on the back of the headstock, and the headstock decoration on the front. Echoing the bell theme, we have a Blind Guitars logo in brass at the 12th fret, brass purfling on the sides, and something absolutely new for me, bell brass frets. Brass has a reputation as a soft metal. Bell brass is something very different. It's much harder. This guitar feels really immediate and alive, and part of that, I suspect, comes from the radial back bracing. You can really feel it kicking against you. Wonderful. We've got a bone nut and saddle and an ebony bridge, and this features a really elegant stepped Art Deco carve to it. Now, Biarritz is in the heart of Art Deco country. It's got some wonderful Art Deco architecture here, so it's hardly a surprise that Virgil will have found some inspiration here from that. The neck is a very comfortable oval C carve with a soft volute on the back of the headstock. So the Blind Guitars B24 is essentially a miniature dreadnought. You still get a lot of power, a lot of articulation, beautiful bass response, but a lot more versatility than you might expect from a traditional dread. It's been a real pleasure spending time with this guitar. Thank you very much to Virgil Pilon of Blind Guitars for the invitation to come out to the workshop and try it out and share it with you. Thank you to you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned.